Hello students, in previous period we studied that protista. Protista which includes unicellular eukaryotic organism. Now today we discuss about the different characteristic features of fungi. Fungi is the unique characteristic features. It contains some characteristic features of the plants and some characteristics of features of animals. The fungi said first of all nutrition. It is nutrition that is of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition may be parasitic or saprotropics. Normally in maximum fungi groups, saprotrophic nutrition is there, in which it is present on the dead organic matter. Sometimes it is also present on the living organic matters. And fungi includes all the eukaryotes which having heterotrophic nutrition, and cell wall is specially made up from chitin. Cell wall is there which is specially made up from chitin. If we see the cell structure of fungi, the filament, it is the cell structure or that body of fungi is made up from filament, and its filament is known as hyphae. Hyphae. The single filament that is known as hyphae, but the group of filament is known as mycelium. One exception is there, that is single-celled fungi is there, which is known as yeast. Yeast is of single-celled. Otherwise, it is made from fungal hyphae, and the group of filament that is the mycelium. Fungal hyphae is of septate or aseptate. Means if the filament is there, septa may be present or septa is not there. If the septa is not there, it is multinucleated, and this condition is known as cynocytic condition. Cynocytic condition, that is of multinucleated condition when septa is not there. If the septa is present, septa is of two types: simple and dolipore. Dolipore septa. Simple septa, that is like this way. This is the simple septa, and dolipore septa, it formed the structure like dolium. Dolium means jar. Like this, that is the dolipore septa. Fungi contain different types of reproduction: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Reproduction, that is vegetative, reproduction by the fragmentation, by budding, by fission, by sclerotia, fragmentation, that body is divided into more than one fragment. Each fragment divided to form new fungi. Budding and fission is there. Sclerotia, it consists compact mass of fungal hyphae. Compact mass of fungal hyphae. and it produce new fungal filaments. Rhizomorph, that is the cord-like structure of fungal filaments which produce new filaments, that is of vegetative reproduction. And asexual reproduction is also there. Asexual reproduction by zoospore, asexual by zoospores, by sporangiospores, by oidea, by conidia. These are the different types of spores formed during the asexual reproduction. And another is of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves three steps. That three steps are plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. These three steps are distinct. Plasmogamy, that is the fusion of, these are supposed to gametes. In plasmogamy, these fusion of two gametes, that is of plasmogamy, but their nucleus is not fused, or delayed nucleus fusion is there. This is known as plasmo means cytoplasm, gamy means fusion of cytoplasm there. Karyogamy, after that their nucleus will be fused together and 2n condition will be there, that is the plasmogamy. And the meiosis, after that it divide with the help of reductional division to form another filaments or another types of spores, that is of meiosis. So three distinct stages present in the sexual reproduction in fungi, that is plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. In fungi, different types of sexual reproduction is there, that is planogametic copulation, planogametic copulation means these gametes are motile, that's why that is known as planogametic copulation. Gametingial contact means two gametangium are formed side by side and they are attached with the help of some tube-like structure, that is known as gametangial contact. Gametangial copulation if the two gametangium is formed side by side and both the gametangium fuse together to form another structure, that is of gametangial copulation. And in contact, in gametangial contact, two gametangium formed side by side and they will be contact with the help of tubes like structure. This is the gametangial contact. It send the tube, this is male gametangium, this is female. It send a tube into female and that contact is there, that is the gametangial contact. And first one is a planogametic copulation. Two planogametes, male gamete or motile gamete is formed, they will be fertilized together to form another type of structure, that is the gametangial copulation. And one more types of sexual reproduction is there, that is spermatization. In spermatization, that no special organ is there, two filaments of different hyphae, they will fuse together and fertilization is there, that is the spermatization. So these are the different characteristics features of fungi, which is the unique groups. Fungi is classified into four groups on the basis of some characters. First one is sexual reproduction known and sexual reproduction unknown. Sexual reproduction known, it is again differentiated into two groups, septate and another is of aseptate. First one is of aseptate, another is of septate. Aseptate, that is Phycomycetes, and septate is divided into two groups, that is Ascomycetes, another is of Basidiomycetes. And the sexual reproduction is unknown, that is known as Deuteromycetes. So these are the different four groups which is classified according to the sexual reproduction known and unknown. Aseptate and septate, aseptate, Phycomycetes, septate, Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, and another one is of Deuteromycetes, in which sexual reproduction is unknown. Now first class, that is of Phycomycetes, its thallus is mycelial, aseptate, multinucleate, cynocytic condition. Condition, cell wall, cellulose or chitin or both. Sometimes that is fungal cellulose, that cell wall is made from fungal cellulose. Asexual reproduction through the sporangia. Asexual reproduction occurs through sporangia. Sexual reproduction gametangial contact. Gametangial contact. Normally these fungi present on the aquatic habitats. Aquatic habitats are dead organic matter. Aquatic habitats, dead organic matter. The example of Phycomycetes, Rhizopus, Mucor. These are the example of Phycomycetes. Another group of fungus or fungi, that is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is a diverse type of fungi. It produces green filaments, brown filaments, different types of filament. Filamentous, different types filaments due to production of different colored spores. Filament septate or high peak septate. Septa, simple pore present in septa. simple pore present in septa. All are multinucleate except multicellular except yeast. Except yeast is the single cell structure, unicellular. This ascomycetes contain any not contain any motile structure, means especially the non-motile structure present in the ascomycetes. Asexual reproduction through oidea. Asexual reproduction occurs through the oidea, conidia. These are the spores in which through which asexual reproduction is there. Ascomycetes, also known as sac fungi. The another name of ascomycetes, that is the sac fungi. Inside the ascomycetes, different types of fruiting body is there. Different type fruiting body. Present, that is known as ascocarp. Ascocarp contain ascus, ascus contain ascospore. These are the specific spores which germinate to new fungal filaments. These ascospores germinate to form new fungal filaments. So a specific fruiting body is there, that is known as ascocarp. Different types of ascocarp is there: perithecium, apothecium, clistothecium. According to their opening and shape, these are different types of ascocarp is there. Some ascomycetes also grow on the cow dungs, and such type of fungi is known as coprophilus, which is grow on the dung, that is known as coprophilus. The example of ascomycetes, that is Peziza, Claviceps. These are the example of members of ascomycetes. Next group of fungi, that is of Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes, the commonly forms of the Basidiomycetes, that is mushrooms. Mushrooms are placed inside the Basidiomycetes. It is also known as club fungi. Club fungi. Mycelium septate, and Dolipore septa present. Septa present in the mycelium is of three types. That is a primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary, secondary and tertiary mycelium. Primary mycelium uninucleate. Uninucleate uninucleate and that form haploid spores. That is of basidiospores. Uninucleate haploid basidiospores. The primary nucleus formed from uninucleate haploid spore, basidiospores, and this basidiospores to form primary mycelium. Primary mycelium fertilized to form secondary mycelium. Suppose because here asexual reproduction is not there. Vegetative reproduction may be through fragmentation, but asexual reproduction is not there. Only sexual reproduction present in the Basidiomycetes. So these two primary mycelium fuse together to form secondary mycelium. This which is occurred through somatogamy or spermatogamy. These are the two mycelium which fertilize together that form diploid stage or dikaryon stage, that having two nuclei in each cells, that dikaryotic stage, and it grow to form again secondary nucleus or secondary mycelium, and secondary mycelium having two nuclei stages. When these two nuclei fuse together, that form tertiary nuclei, tertiary mycelium. Tertiary mycelium, these two nuclei. So here these three stages of fungi is clearly distinct, that is plasmogamy in primary nucleus. When formed secondary nucleus, the plasmogamy is there, means only that their cytoplasm is fused together, and this secondary nucleus or secondary mycelium will form, which again multiply reproduce with the help of vegetative production to form secondary mycelium, and then after fusion is occur between these two nuclei, that is known as karyogamy, and after that meiosis will be there, and to form again basidiospores. The tertiary mycelium represented by the fruiting bodies, that is known as basidiocarp. Basidiocarp, which contain basidium, and basidium produce basidiospores. Basidiospores produce again primary mycelium. Primary mycelium fertilize together to form secondary mycelium, and secondary mycelium, when these two nuclei combine together, karyogamy is there, that form tertiary mycelium, and inside the tertiary mycelium again meiosis will be there, which form basidiospores. So this is the characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes, and Basidiomycetes, example of Basidiomycetes, that is Puccinia, Astilego, these are the example of Basidiomycetes. Now the last group of fungi, that is of Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes. It is also known as fungi imperfecti. Fungi imperfecti, that is imperfect fungi, because in Deuteromycetes sexual reproduction is unknown. That's why it is known as fungi imperfecti. It is mycelium septate saprotrophic nutrition saprotrophic nutrition mycelium septate branched asexual reproduction by conidia, sexual reproduction unknown. If the sexual reproduction will be known, it will be transferred to the another groups. If that will be transferred to the another group. Asexual reproduction by conidia or sometime oidia. The examples of Deuteromycetes, that is Alternaria, Coletotrichum, these are the example of Deuteromycetes.